Away they go. Ian's Melody from the outside is Vermont moving up. Dugo. Anak Papato rushing up by the rally's Maximum Impact. Crafty Treasure. Northern Arrow Perlin and Getty second last. The force is running at the tail of the field. Dugo. Anak Papato and Ian's Melody, Crafty Treasure, Maximum Impact, Danori inside Vermont on the further outside, Northern Arrow, Perlin, and here comes Engedi as they race the last 500. Ian's Melody, Vermont, Danori inside, Dugo, Anak Papato, Crafty Treasure, and on the further outside, rushing up is Engedi as they race the final corner. It's Ian's Melody, Crafty Treasure, Vermont, and Getty on the further outside. Ian's Melody, Crafty Treasure on the outside, Vermont, and Getty's racing import. Ian's Melody, Crafty Treasure, Ian's Melody, Crafty Treasure, Vermont, and finally it's going to be Ian's Melody, close for second, Crafty Treasure, Vermont, and Getty took fourth for fifth, number 6, Northern Arrow, and for your super